Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Today, we are going to talk about the verb to have in the simple present, okay? So, to have. Now, the verb to have is used mostly for possession or for when you have to express some sort of physical sickness or injury. Okay? So the first thing we have to do is we have to try and conjugate uh, to have. Okay, so to have in the simple present. Okay, so we have our table here. We're going to put singular and plural. Now remember, singular means the subject, there's only one actor, and on the plural means there's more than one. There are more than one actors. Okay. For our singular side, we have our singular subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it. Okay. And for our plural side, we have we and they. This you is the same. Okay. So let's try and see this. I, for the first person, it will be I have. Okay. Second person is you have. Third person, he, she, and it will be has. We have. They have. Okay, so notice that the only one that changes is this one right here. Okay, has. All right. So now, when we're gonna be talking about physical uh, conditions, so today that's what we're focusing on. Physical injuries or sicknesses. We're gonna have our subject. Okay. Normally we have subject, verb, object. So, uh, okay. But here, in this case, because we're talking about physical injuries or sicknesses, we're going to use the verb to have. So, It really is this. Okay, so our subject, remember our subject is the actor. Okay, so, oops. So if our subject is the actor, we can have, for example, I. How do I conjugate have with I? It's I have. I have. And then for the object, we're going to use our sickness or injury as our object, okay? So suppose I have a headache, okay? Headache, okay? Not just that though, we need a headache. We always need to specify, okay? A headache. Okay, it means your head hurts. I have a headache. Do another one. She. How do I conjugate to have with she? Is has. Okay. She has. Suppose maybe she has a cold. Okay. She has a cold. They have, let's see, they have a fever. When your kids all get sick, they all have fevers. So they have a fever. All right. So what are some physical conditions that we can use have with? Okay, well, you can use have with a cold, a fever, some sort of injury. So maybe a broken, we can say leg, arm, foot, and the list goes on. Or you can say sprained. Sprained ankle, maybe. Or a sprained wrist. Okay. We can also use to have to express a cough. So I have a cough. Okay. A headache. A backache. Okay. So try to repeat after me, okay? I have a cold. I have a fever. She has a broken leg. He has a broken arm. I have a broken foot. She has a sprained ankle. Okay, she has. I have a sprained wrist. I have a cough. He has a headache. He has a backache. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.